Hi, Tom.
So I'm Tom with Renewal by Andersen, here to measure your windows for you.
Excellent.
This beautiful day.
Oh, it couldn't be better. Do you install today too, Tom?
Yeah, I got them in the back.
Oh,
Take
fantastic.
care of you right away.
So what is it you're doing today?
I'm going to get the measurements for your windows and talk about what to expect from here on out. What we're going to do for exterior trim and what you're going to end up on the inside for your interior trim as well.
Great. We're getting all the windows on our house replaced, except for the garage.
Okay.
And as you can see, the reason being is that the view here is awesome. Got to have clear windows.
We're in your dining room here, so this one will be a new picture window. It'll be white, Smart Sun glass, it's tempered, and we're going to do the 3-inch brick mold trim on the outside.
Can you fix creaky floors too?
I could. It's a lot of fun. I've actually got some experience in that. Another picture window here. "94.5 inches on the inside, so we've got a rough opening of 96 inches. We've got 46 inches, which I'll do a little digging, but I'm sure it's a 48-inch rough opening. It's just got the double stacked sill.
Any chance there's a bit of a bow from sagging over the years?
It could be. It looks pretty straight though.
That's good.
Your new window is going to come in considerably farther than the existing window.
Okay.
With a 4 9/16 jamb that you have, you're probably going to end up with about 1.5 inches left over after we cut back the liner in place and install the new window. So this portion of the window will be into about 1.5 inches from the interior.
Okay, so they're actually extended outside of the house too much as they are?
Yeah, these ones are not installed properly. They don't have a nail flange. There's just caulking protecting you from the elements. So
no, that's not good.
with that, you have to consider the limited amount of space for your blinds. So you're gonna have to mount your blinds closer to the inside of your house.
Okay.
And make sure you use low profile.
So what about the windowsill? And you just cut it back a little bit?
Yeah, we have a plunge cutter that we can ride right along the frame here and make a nice clean cut back to the corner, and then finish off the cuts with a fine tool or multi-tool.
Okay. Measure the exterior here.
So like I was explaining on the inside about the brick molding, we're going to use the wider profile brick molding so that you don't have any paint lines from where your existing trim is. If we use the narrower stuff, you'd have a paint line around your whole window.
Okay.
Whereas the new trim will replace the existing trim now. So the main reason I want to do the wider trim on this project is because this piece of trim is cut to fit to this trim.
I see.
And so if I did the narrower, you would have a gap between there. So if I do the wider profile, it'll be a nice tight fit to the existing trim.
Perfect. Large slider in our living room. You get measurements from both the inside and the outside.
Yeah, the inside we're mainly looking to make sure there's nothing funny going on. Maybe double stacked liners or something that's going to bury our frame.
Okay.
So far we're looking good.
We're replacing this kitchen slider window. guest bedroom slider.
Where this 2x2 runs past.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut it as needed, and then you'll just have like a little paint line there.
Small bathroom window. Also a slider. Master bedroom window. This is going to probably remain a slider. We talked about a bay window, but it's a little small for that. Tom's checking out whether or not it could actually put in a box window or a bay window here, and what are you finding out?
We're looking good. The existing top of the window frame is level to the bottom of the fascia.
We got to do a lead test just in case lead paint was used. This house was built in 1978.
No lead.
We're finishing up here with our decision to go forward with Renewal by Andersen windows.
So that's that. So Sarah is your project manager. I'll call her right now, let her know what we're ordering.
Okay.
And she'll give me the first available install date, and you can let me know if that works for you.
Okay.
It was very nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.